I would also like to share some of the highlights. There were some apprehensions that that voters in Mawati Assembly constituency, 6 polling stations under Mawati constituency would perhaps have their freedom to exercise their franchise interfered with. But however, due to the cooperation of the Assam police and also due to the prompt coordination between the state government of Meghalaya and the state government of Assam and the counterpart police forces, all the voters of these 6 polling stations were able to come and cast their votes in this interstate border polling station. Then, apart from that, I would also like to highlight that today polling was held across 3,419 polling stations. Originally, we have 3,482, but as you know, in Soyang, the polls have been adjourned due to the death of the contesting candidate. So 63 polling stations under Soyang would be going to the polls at a later date, as announced by the Election Commission. Polls, of course, have been officially adjourned by the ECI. As you have seen in the past 2-3 days, our polling teams have traveled and they have traversed through mountainous terrain and crossed rivers, and also have gone through steep mountain paths